Most people think content creation starts with a blank page. That is why it feels hard. You sit down to make a video, write a post, create a script, or design a thumbnail, and suddenly every step feels like a separate job. You need ideas. You need research. You need a hook. You need a script. You need visuals. You need editing. You need captions. You need short clips. And by the time you finish one piece of content, you are already tired. AI tools can change that. Not because AI should replace your creativity, but because AI can help you move faster through the boring, repetitive, and messy parts of content creation. In this video, I'll show you the best types of AI tools for content creation, how beginners can use them, and a simple workflow you can follow even if you are starting from zero. The goal is not to use every tool. The goal is to build a simple system that helps you create more consistently. Let's start with the first stage, ideas. Every content workflow starts with an idea, but not every idea is worth turning into a video or post. This is where AI brainstorming tools can help. You can use tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or Copilot to generate topic ideas, title angles, audience questions, and content outlines. For example, instead of asking, "Give me content ideas," use a better prompt. Try this. Act like a content strategist. Give me 20 beginner-friendly video ideas about productivity and AI tools. Prioritize topics that are evergreen, searchable, and useful for beginners. That prompt gives AI a role, a topic, an audience, and a business goal. You are not just asking for random ideas. You are asking for ideas that can actually serve a channel. The second stage is research. Once you choose an idea, AI can help you understand the topic faster. You can ask for a beginner overview, common mistakes, key questions, examples, and a simple structure. AI search and research tools can help here, especially when you are trying to turn a broad topic into a clear explanation. A useful prompt is, "Give me the most important things a beginner should know about this topic. Include common mistakes, practical examples, and questions viewers may have." This helps you avoid making content that is too shallow. It also helps you understand what your audience might actually be confused about. But remember, for important facts, current information, or specific claims, you should verify the details from reliable sources. AI can help organize research. It should not be your only source of truth. The third stage is scripting. This is one of the biggest time savers. AI writing tools can help you turn messy ideas into a clear structure. They can create hooks, outlines, transitions, examples, and full draft scripts. But the mistake beginners make is asking AI to write everything in one vague prompt. A better method is to build the script in layers. First, ask for the outline. Then ask for a stronger hook. Then ask for examples. Then ask for a full script. Then ask for a cleaner version. For example, create a beginner-friendly YouTube script outline for this topic. Include a strong hook, 5 main sections, practical examples, and a clear call to action. After that, you can say, "Now turn this outline into a conversational script with short paragraphs and simple language." This gives you more control. You are guiding the AI instead of accepting the first draft. The fourth stage is visuals. Faceless content still needs visuals. That might mean stock footage, screen recordings, graphics, slides, icons, charts, or thumbnail images. Tools like Canva, Pictory, CapCut, Descript, and other AI video tools can help create or assemble visuals faster. For example, if you are making a video about AI tools, you might need visuals of dashboards, workflow charts, app screens, note-taking, typing, or simple diagrams. AI can help generate visual ideas. You can ask, "What visuals would make this script easier to understand for a beginner?" Or suggest simple B-roll ideas for each section of this video. This is useful because visuals should support the explanation. They should not just be random background clips. The fifth stage is editing. Editing is where many beginners lose momentum. AI editing tools can help remove pauses, generate captions, suggest cuts, resize videos, and turn long videos into short clips. Tools like CapCut, Descript, Opus Clip, Pictory, and similar platforms can save time depending on your workflow. For beginners, the important part is not choosing the fanciest editor. The important part is reducing friction. If a tool helps you create a clean video faster, that is already valuable. A simple workflow might be upload your script, choose visuals, generate voiceover, review the video, fix obvious mistakes, export the final version. Do not spend hours polishing tiny details that most viewers will not notice. Consistency matters more than perfection in the beginning. The sixth stage is repurposing. This is where content creation becomes more efficient. One long video can become 2 shorts. One script can become a blog outline. One video can become a LinkedIn post. One idea can become a carousel, a newsletter section, or a short TikTok caption. AI tools are very useful for this. You can paste your script and ask, turn this long video script into 2 short video scripts under 45 seconds each. Each short should have a strong hook, one clear point, and a simple ending. This is powerful because you are not starting from zero every time. You are building a content system. That is the real advantage of AI. It helps you create content assets from one core idea. The 7th stage is organization. If you create content consistently, you need a way to track ideas, scripts, videos, thumbnails, upload dates, links, and performance. This can be simple at first. A spreadsheet, Notion board, Google Drive folder, or project tracker is enough. AI can help organize your pipeline by turning messy notes into checklists, naming files consistently, and creating upload descriptions or tags. For example, you can ask, turn this video idea into a production checklist with script, voiceover, video, thumbnail, upload, shorts, and cross-posting tasks. That one prompt can turn a random idea into a repeatable process. Now let's put this into a simple beginner workflow. Step 1. Use AI to generate topic ideas. Step 2. Choose one idea based on usefulness, search potential, and audience fit. Step 3. Use AI to research the topic and list beginner questions. Step 4. Create an outline and send. Step 5. Write the script in short, clear paragraphs. Step 6. Generate visuals or B-roll ideas. Step 7. Produce the video using a simple AI video workflow. Step 8. Turn the long video into 2 shorts. Step 9. Schedule the content and track the result. That is a much better system than waking up every day and wondering what to create. Here's an example. Let's say your topic is AI tools for small businesses. AI can help you create the title, outline, script, examples, thumbnail text, description, tags, and short clips. You still decide what is good. You still check the facts. You still make the final creative choices. But AI removes a lot of the slow parts between idea and upload. Before we finish, here are 3 beginner mistakes to avoid. Mistake number 1 is using too many tools. You do not need 10 platforms at the beginning. Start with a small stack that covers writing, visuals, video, and organization. Mistake number 2 is letting AI make the content generic. If the script sounds boring, ask for clearer examples, stronger hooks, and more specific audience problems. Mistake number 3 is spending too much time on one video. In the beginning, your goal is to build a repeatable process and learn from real uploads. You can improve quality as the system gets stronger. The best AI tools for content creation are not just the tools with the most features. They are the tools that help you create consistently without burning out. Use AI for ideas. Use AI for research. Use AI for scripts. Use AI for visuals. Use AI for editing. Use AI for repurposing. And use AI to keep your workflow organized. If you do that, content creation becomes less like a blank page struggle and more like a repeatable production system. If this helped, subscribe to AI Daily for simple AI tools, beginner-friendly tutorials, and productivity workflows you can actually use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.